Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new customer to the Zoho Invoice application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the customers button down below, which is the second option. Then click on the plus icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on the customer type that you would like to choose, such as business or individual. Then tap on the salutation button and select it. You have a bunch of options and you can also customize it by typing in your own into the tap to add section. After that, you can add the first last name too, so just tap on the relevant one, and then you can also enter the company name, so tap on it and enter it. Then you can also select display name, then the email, phone number, the mobile number, and the website also. Then you can add or select the currency, the payment terms such as due or receipt, and here you can find other options too. You can turn on the enable portal button and the portal language too. You can select the tax rate as well as billing address, and shipping address can be added too. So if you tap on it, you can fill in these forms, and after that you can add contacts by tapping on the plus icon, and you can also add further remarks and notes to this white box down below. When you are done with all these details, tap on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then you will be able to save all these information and the new customer. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.